Hello, I am Ainhoa, and here to present some of my favorite photos. I like playing the violin. I am funny and friendly. Sometimes I be bit naughty too. In this photo, I am playing the violin in the concert. In this photo, my sister Joanne and me are eating a vegan pizza. Joanne is
12 years old.
12 years old and she has got brown eyes. She is funny and smiling. In this photo, you can see my mom and my dad. My mom is Nerea. My mom has got brown hair and brown eyes. My dad is Inigo. He has got brown eyes. They are both friendly, keen and hardworking.
Kind.
In this photo, you can see us
Together.
Inigo, Nerea, Joanne and me. In this photo, we are tagging a walk in the mountain. In this photo, we are eating in Peñíscola on summer holiday.
The weather.
The weather was
Hot.
and sunny.
Sunny.
This was all. Thank you for your attention and I hope you like it.